With bigger phone storage, we can save more files, but the risk of losing them grows too. In this video, we'll show Android users how to back up files to Dropbox to keep them safe. Part 1. Benefits of uploading Android files to Dropbox. Why use Dropbox for Android? Backup. Keep files safe in the cloud. Access anywhere. Use on phone or PC. Free space. Move files off your device. Part 2. Upload photos and videos from Android to Dropbox. 1. Camera upload. Install Dropbox on PC and enable camera uploads on your phone. Set what, how, and when to upload. Connect phone via USB. Open Dropbox. Click Start Import. Wait for photos and videos to upload. 2. Manually add photos and videos to Dropbox. Open Dropbox on Android and tap plus. Select Upload Photos or Videos. Choose the files you want and tap Upload. Part 3. Sync Android documents to Dropbox. Open Dropbox on Android. Tap plus Upload Files. Select Files, long press to select multiple. Tap Open to upload.